Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today, we're back again and we're gonna do another slay. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm actually gonna play with this palette by playing with Makeup by Yolondo or Pimbi, but I'm gonna do something quick and simple. And I know, I say quick and simple and it never really ends up that way, but you know what? Today that's gonna be the goal. Quick and simple. First, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Again, these shades don't have names, but I'm going into the darkest brown and I'm just gonna put that in my outer V. My husband is actually dragging me to some car situation. Not my thing, but you know. He does so much for me and that is his thing, so why wouldn't I go? Of this brown. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is a little bit of a lighter brown. I think that has a little bit more red in there. And I'm just gonna stem this on the edges. I'm actually using a 204 and I'm using the same brush for both shades. And now we're gonna go into the light shade right here. That I'm only using that just to buff the edges. Just to buff the edges. Now back to that really dark brown for the first shade I put on. And then the second shade. Sometimes you have to go in like multiple times and that's okay. You know, to just get what you want. But you know what is cool about this? I'm literally using the same brush the whole time. The same brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glitter glue. Trying to find a blush. Yeah, this is fine. This is for LR117. Like these are like quick looks that you can do like literally in a few minutes to hit the road. So I'm gonna go in and put this shade right here and I think I'm gonna blend this. So this is gonna be the first shade. I'm gonna use a Y215. And I'm gonna use this kind of reddish shade to just kind of blend the two together. And let's use this, what is this? Y216. And then back to that really dark brown. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I know you guys cannot come for me. This eye look is simple, very simple. It's just browns and a little bit of shimmer. So yeah, so let's jump into the face. I am gonna go out, so let's put a little bit of my Milk Hydro Grip. Let's take this out. Nice and tacky. I'm actually gonna use this foundation from Ulta. I used it the other day and it's okay, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna mix it up with my SheGlam because I love this foundation, so they will work. I literally just moved a cream brush here, but apparently you didn't because I can't find it. This is an E34. This will work, maybe. Yep. not really a foundation brush, but whenever it's a brush that doesn't leave any streaks, I'm all over it. If it leaves streaks, then I don't like it. But let's see, do I have any streaks? Nope. So in my head, this is a good foundation brush because there's no streaks. My only issue is I feel like it sucked a lot of my product down, but if you don't mind that, then it's fine. Let's grab a concealer. Let's go ahead with one size. For the brush, and I'm gonna go in. Actually, no, I'm not doing that just yet. Let that dry up a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. Let's go in with my e.l.f. Potty bronzer. I love this. And what we're gonna use, a 740 from Luxie. Like this just like blends like crazy. I love it. So I literally took off the brush to blend my concealer. Now I can't find it. And this is my E20 from Morphe. Stop. I love this concealer, but if you have dry skin or dry under eye, I don't think you would like this. Or you can just like use like a hydrating like moisturizer, and when you do, or eye cream, and when you do, don't let it sit like I do. You have to go in and blend it pretty quickly, because I feel like it's a little bit hard to blend whenever you leave it dry down a bit, but it's not crazy, just a little bit difficult. Okay, let's set under the eye. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder and my Tati sponge. And let's go in and set the rest of my face with my micro smooth powder from Sephora. I'm so thirsty. I'm showing a bit much. This powder brush is like huge. I like my powder brushes a little bit smaller than that, but this was like hella cheap. I think I paid like $10 or $8 for this. So let's put a little bit of just a little bit, because I feel like it pops more when I do that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do this blue right here. This blue. This is from McGrath. And which palette is that? Mothership. I'm not sure which one. I think that's 7. Who knows? I'm the worst with these Roman numerals. Just a little pop of color. I have a kind of like a bluish eye pencil. This one right here, we're gonna go ahead and use, what is this one called? Ruce. Let's use Ruce. We need to dust this off. This brush is like dirty. That's what I was using to dust off, but I feel like I'm putting more stuff there. Let's use this brush from Laura Lee. Which one is that? L13. Perfect. Perfect. We need a little bit. Just a little bit of glitter glue, just a little bit. I'm gonna just bring this down, this shade right here, just bring it down. Yep. Let's clean the lip. And the back of my hands. Now let's go in with some bronzer. I'm gonna use my bronzer from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go into this dark shade and this one, just gonna blend it out. So we go to the dark shade first. So like so, and then I use the light shade and I just like kind of blend it out. It's like I almost refuse to like throw this broken powder away. I always have it. Always have it, always have it. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix these two shades from, this is the blush palette from Makeup by Yolondo. Yolando's Bloom Blush Palettes. Bloom Blush Palette. I'm gonna mix Peach Blossom and Holy Hawk. And this is on 462 from Morphe M462. But I like dual fiber brushes for my blush. But you can use any brush that you like. I'm gonna go in with my little peach from Jackie and what's his name? Artiste Couture collab. Like you don't have to put much of this, it's so in your face. So this is actually, it's a lipstick and this one is Taurus from Colourpop. I'm gonna use that to line my lip, and then I'm gonna use Nude by Makeup by Yolondo to kind of put in the center. Yep, I love it. Should I do some gloss? This is what? Legit Nude from Juvia's Place. Maybe we'll do some gloss. I don't know. Yes, let's do some gloss. Okay, let's see what's going on with this here. Let's take some of this. This is what? Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion, and I just put like a whole big gob in here like this. I just put it. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Oh my god, I had so much fun just creating this cute, you know, everyday makeup look that, you know, can use to go to work if you just go and go out on a quick date and you don't want to scare the guy off, you know. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.